Welcome to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we have new product announcements from Atlas O, Lionel, Menards, MTH, and more. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Atlas O will be hosting a live stream event on Tuesday, April 9th at 7 p.m. Eastern on their Facebook and YouTube pages to announce their 2024 catalog items. Follow the link in the video description to view it yourself, or tune in to this channel beginning April 16th for a recap. Atlas O will be producing an exclusive Long Island Railroad Alco S2 switcher for Train World. The diesel will be available in 2 road numbers with expected delivery in late 2024. The early order price is $649.99. Lionel Trains will be producing an exclusive Legacy Copper Range 280 consolidation steamer for Pat's Trains. The locomotive is designed to operate on O31 and larger curves and is expected to arrive in late 2024. The early order price is $809.99. Menards Trains has introduced a unique transparent covered hopper car with LED lights. This whimsical car is designed to add a splash of color to any train. With a list price of $39.99 before rebates, the cars had unfortunately sold out as of publishing time. Hopefully, Menards will produce another run of these popular cars soon. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale Alco PA diesel locomotive in Wabash colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains. The locomotive will be available in 2 unique cab numbers in extremely limited quantities beginning in July 2024. The early order price is $485.95. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2024 Rail King O-Gauge 2-story city building in 8 different schemes this fall. The selection includes Wally's Belvedere, a Halloween costume shop, and the Elf Expressions Christmas Emporium, all with LED lights for $99.95 each, and the Rip Van Winkle Mattresses, Hair Force One Barbershop, Sole Proprietor Shoes, and the Democratic or Republican National Committee buildings for $89.95 each. Each of these offerings is expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in September 2024. MTH Electric Trains will be producing an additional run of a Premier Line flat car with Sears trailers for Stockyard Express. As of publishing time, pricing and availability have not yet been determined. Follow the link in the video description for more information. And MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale Alco PA diesel locomotive in New Haven colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains. The locomotive will be available in 2 unique cab numbers in extremely limited quantities beginning in July 2024. The early order price is $485.95. And coming soon in paperback is How to Build Structures by Lance Mannheim. Make your model stand out from the rest with this technique-driven book. In 112 pages, Mannheim dives into the details of how to create realistic structures. Begin using dozens of tips and techniques on cutting, gluing, painting, and weathering on both kits to assemble as well as models already on hand. All while avoiding unrealistic shiny finishes and bright colors, focusing on flat finishes, subdued colors, and weathering effects found in real life. The book features tips and techniques for building kits and kit bashing, realistic paint colors and weathering effects, modifying structure size and selective compression, and more. Follow the link in the video description to pre-order. And of course, remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And remember to check out our latest long-form video every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.